How to get a new number pi array based on conditions of two other number pi arrays using only number pi operations. Let's say I have np.array of a equals 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 and b equals 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. I want a new matrix C such that if a equals 0 and b equals 0 then c equals true. I've tried using c equals np, where equals 0 and b equals 0, but seems this won't work on two arrays. Ultimately I want a count of zeros that are true in both cases and ones that are true in both cases without using any loops and external libraries. Please advise.
Here is my solution. Your logic expression is nothing but C equals not A or B. This means you want C, OR, equals true only if both A, OR, and B, OR, are 0. The OR can be achieved by adding the two arrays. We then convert the array into a Boolean type and invert it. If you then want to count the number of zeros, you can simply perform. More general solution. If you want your array C, OR, equals true if A, OR, equals a 0 and B, OR, equals B0, you can do. The conditions A equals a 0 and B equals B0 return each a Boolean array with the truth value of the condition for each individual array element. The bitwise operator and performs an element-wise logical AND. For more bitwise operators, see this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.